Day 2 of a high fire danger day across our state. Now, this comes one day after more than 100,000 acres burned and 4 firefighters got hurt working to put out the flames.
And here in the metro, crews have been busy fighting fires. Our First Alert Storm team, our team of reporters have been on the ground and in the sky today, watching these conditions closely. Our team spread out in the metro and parts of western Oklahoma. Thanks so much for joining us at 5 o'clock on this Wednesday. Really good to see you. I'm Evan Onstad.
Yeah, hello to you. I'm Jessica Shambach. Our meteorologist Joseph Neubauer here in studio today. Joseph, it's dry, it's warm, windy, and winds are only getting stronger for tomorrow.
Right, and that's going to lead probably to the absolute peak of this fire danger for Oklahoma City tomorrow. Out there right now, still a couple hot spots we're watching. We've seen some fires go on and off, smaller fires here in the OKC metro. You have Storm Command out. There's Olivia Hickey down there near Mustang where a fire burned. We have Jason Hill headed towards Choctaw where we had a grass fire on Choctaw Road. And then Amanda Benton probably at the largest fire of the afternoon so far, right on the Custer and Dewey County line, 183. Been watching her shot. Amanda, I see some smoke there. You're south of Putnam by about 3 to 4 miles. What does this fire look like? It seems like they've gotten a pretty good handle on this and maybe even put it out. Amanda?
Yeah, you're right, Joseph. It definitely looks like they have stopped progression at the area we're looking at. And another good thing that David had pointed out a while ago is that to the east of where this fire is, there's a lot of winter wheat fields. So that's, going to be able to help stop the progression of this fire as well. And right, just to be precise, we are, like you said, about 4 miles southeast of Putnam, and good news out here in this area that it looks like they've stopped everything so far. We're going to drive around and see if we can get some more information for you, Joseph. Back to you.
Yeah, appreciate that. Yeah, the winter wheat. You don't have to tell me twice about that. My goodness. Yeah, about 200 acres was the estimate. Still some smoldering spots. They've been working hard on that. This popping up on our hotspot tracker about 2 hours ago. So Amanda shot there. Custer and Dewey County. There's Custer City way to the south there. You got Clinton further south. There's Putnam itself. Arapahoe's further to the south. Also, you can see a little bit of lingering smoke there. There's Kylie Thomas. She was up in Woodward. And I also want to make note of one more fire that has gone up here in the last 30 minutes north of Alva, there in Woods County, seeing a little smoke plume there. And we did note a hot spot, so keeping an eye on that. That's 281 way up there in northern Oklahoma. Quickly to the weather graphics. We are under red flag warning. This is going to go until 8 p.m. and we're going to see an extension of this particular fire alert as we head into tomorrow. So this is going to move well into eastern Oklahoma. We're going to have the highest fire danger probably of the week for Oklahoma City specifically on deck for tomorrow. So we're not done just yet. Still got one more day left. I'll get into the forecast side for wind and for that humidity coming up in a few minutes. Jess, over to you.
All right, Joseph, thank you. And Governor Kevin Stitt issued a state of emergency for Beaver, Texas, and Woodward counties as firefighters and families prepare for another long night ahead and another day of it tomorrow.
Right. KOCO's Kylie Thomas was in Woodward today where flames missed homes there by just inches.
No homes were lost Tuesday in Woodward's wildfires, but that doesn't mean they didn't come eerily close. This home off East West 42nd, you can see the flames came right up to the front door.
But the meter is on the ground over here. There's a light that was on top of the light pole and everything that's laying all on the ground. It melted the telephone pole in half at least.
2,200 acres burned across Woodward County Tuesday. The flames coming just inches away from Matthew Payne's home.
We've been living here for over 2 years and we had to rush out.
After grabbing his child from school and relocating his 80-year-old in-laws, Payne and his husband returned to their home Tuesday night after the evacuations lifted.
Underneath the tree there was a wooden shed, an old wooden shed underneath the tree, and then there was a red barn back over here that's all flattened.
So you have no electricity?
No electricity, no water because we're on a well here. So I can't even come and spray water around the house to help out.
Many families are stuck with that same uneasy feeling, waiting and watching as the wildfire threat continues. In Woodward, Kylie Thomas, KOCO 5 News.
Kylie, thanks so much for that coverage there in western Oklahoma. Let's bring it back closer to the metro right now, see how things are holding up here today.
Yeah, we've seen a few grass fires pop up in the area. KOCO's Abigail Ogle joining us now in the newsroom. Abby, what can you tell us?
Well, I can tell you it's been a very busy newsroom, a very busy assignment desk, hearing the scanners go off all day. First responders across the metro keeping busy this afternoon. Like you said, we have seen several grass fires spark. I'll show you first the burnt aftermath near Meridian and Waterloo. Several fire agencies coming together to tackle these flames. Edmond, Deer Creek, Piedmont, and others. And then now taking you to Mustang, this fire, here it is, started spreading along Southwest 74th. First responders had to jump in quickly. They say this was getting very close to some nearby structures. Roughly 20 acres burned in that grass fire. We are not sure how many acres were destroyed in the Meridian fire, but we can tell you no buildings were impacted, and we have not been told of any injuries. Evan, back to you.
All right, Abby, thanks very much. Meanwhile, things got a little scary near Lake Hefner this afternoon. Look at this. This fire just got put out along the busy highway there. A few fences guarding those homes were destroyed, and that played a role in helping slow down the flames, we're told, before taking down any houses. No one was hurt, and our team coverage will continue throughout this 5 p.m. newscast. Again, as we continue to follow dangerous fire conditions, follow along with our First Alert Storm Chasers, and what you should do if you're on the road and fires begin to start to spread around you. How to protect yourself, how to protect your family. Coming up tonight at 6.